Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to highlight text on PowerPoint step by step. First, you'll need to select the text you want to highlight. Click and drag your cursor over the text. You can double-click a single word or drag through a phrase or entire paragraph. Once the text is selected, you'll see it highlighted with a selection box around it. Next, click on the Home tab in the ribbon at the top left corner of the screen, right beside the File tab. If you're already on the Home tab, you can skip this step. Once the Home tab is active, you'll see all the text formatting options. Now, look for the text highlight color button in the font group. It's in the middle section of the ribbon and looks like a marker pen with the letters AB on it. You'll see it has a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that arrow to open the color gallery. A color palette will appear with multiple highlight colors to choose from. Yellow is usually the default, but you can pick any color you like. Click the color you want, and your selected text will instantly be highlighted in that color. The highlighted text will stay highlighted across all your views, whether you're editing in normal view, looking at your slides in slide sorter, or presenting in slideshow mode. One handy thing to know is that the text highlight color tool remembers the last color you picked, so if you want to highlight more text with the same color, just select the new text and click the main text highlight color button without opening the dropdown. If you ever want to remove highlighting, just select the highlighted text, click the drop-down arrow again, and choose No Color at the top of the palette. Here's a time-saving tip. If you need to highlight multiple sections throughout your presentation, you can activate Highlighter Cursor Mode. Click the drop-down arrow on Text Highlight Color without selecting any text first, choose your color, and your cursor turns into a highlighter. Now, you can click through different text sections to highlight them one after another. When you're done, press Escape on your keyboard to turn off the highlighter mode and go back to normal editing. And that's how to highlight text on PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.